Hey y'all, this is Amanda with She's a Mad Gardener, and it is another hot one today. However, I am about to pull out some spring petunias that are kind of just not looking so great into the summer, and I'm going to go ahead and plant some zinnias in their place. The zinnias are going to be fall tones, so that once they fill in and are beautiful, it'll be just in time for fall when all the oranges and yellows and burgundies are super popular. So let me show you what I'm doing. As a reminder, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and make sure you check me out on TikTok and Instagram. Okay, here's the area I'm going to be working in. I'm going to be pulling up some of this snow on the prairie, cleaning up some of these herbs over here. I have a mix of ageratum that reseeded from last year, some Petunias, some verbena. There's just a mix of stuff in here. There's different types of petunias, like this purple. I haven't planted purple in like 4 years, but it keeps coming back. And then all this is just getting really like woody, and it's turned like a really pale green. It's just not looking great. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all this pulled up, and let me show you what I'm gonna replace it with. Okay, I'm going to be replacing with these bold orange and dark red zinnias. These are all the Profusion series. And so these will stay low to the ground, but they'll fill out a lot. I also had these zinnias right here, but I forgot about them, wasn't paying attention, so I lost several of them. I think these are called Starlight or Starry zinnias. I'll put the name up there for you guys. And so I'm going to go ahead and plant what is still doing good. For those of you who watched my recent video on pruning, here is the finger that I cut. It's doing way better, feeling a lot better. Thankfully I don't have to get stitches. But yeah, it was rough, y'all. So make sure you're careful when you're working on this stuff. There we go. Got them all planted up. Now, I'll put an example of what my zinnias did for me last year, but this will fill in, like all of this will be completely covered. They'll fill over. It'll be absolutely stunning. It looks fine right now, but give it a month and this thing will look absolutely amazing. Since I am planting these in the heat of the summer, I'm gonna have to check on them multiple times a day to make sure that they are holding up and water them. I had a few extra that I tucked back in here just to make sure I repeated the color a little bit. But yeah, you guys. All right, as always, she's a mad gardener or a decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.